Today, I am drawing in everything that's meant to find me. I feel stable, supported, and fully present in this moment. I honor the journey I've taken and the person I'm evolving into. My thoughts are rooted in optimism and deep appreciation. By being genuinely grateful, I'm crafting a life I truly adore. I let go of old insecurities and open myself to fresh happiness. I am worthy of love, achievement, and everything that nourishes my soul. My energy naturally draws in more of what I value. I trust in my inner strength and the purpose I carry. Each time I choose gratitude, I glow with even more radiance. I am prepared to step into the light and live authentically. This morning begins with a heart full of openness and thanks. Gratitude reveals the hidden beauty in all that surrounds me. A grateful spirit brings blessings effortlessly into my life. Now is my moment to grow, rise, and embrace my true essence. I receive abundance with humility, grace, and thankfulness. With each inhale, I am filled with profound appreciation. I celebrate the progress I've made and how far I've already come. I am open to receiving all the goodness flowing my way. My heart welcomes life's magic and surprises with wonder. I release fear and invite gratitude-driven joy to guide me. I am in harmony with the frequency of appreciation. Every day delivers fresh opportunities to be thankful. The more I recognize what I have, the more I shine. Today I choose thankfulness over the trap of comparison. Keep glowing. Keep having faith. This is your season to rise. I believe in the divine timing of life and the blessings it quietly carries. A heart full of thanks opens the door to limitless opportunities. I emanate strength, serenity, and deep self-respect. Being grateful gives me a deep sense of peace and completeness. Everything meant for me is making its way into my life right now. I stand rooted, supported, and vibrantly alive in this moment. I honor the progress I've made and embrace the person I'm becoming. My thoughts are tuned to hope, positivity, and gratitude. Through sincere appreciation, I'm designing a life I truly adore. I let go of past uncertainties and welcome joy with open arms. Love, success, and fulfillment are my birthright. I fully accept them. The more I cherish, the more beauty and abundance flow my way. I trust in the strength within me and the mission I'm here to fulfill. Gratitude adds light to my spirit every time I choose it. Today, I step forward ready to shine and express my authentic self. This day begins with a heart wide open and filled with thanks. Gratitude teaches me to recognize the wonder in all things. A thankful mind draws miracles and blessings into my life. This is the season for me to rise and become all I'm meant to be. I receive all abundance with openness, elegance, and grace. Every inhale fills me with calm, appreciation, and renewal. I take pride in the distance I've already come on this journey. I welcome the goodness that now effortlessly flows toward me. My heart is open to receive life's magic and hidden treasures. I release fear and step into the joy that thankfulness brings. I am tuned into the vibration of pure appreciation. Each new day offers fresh chances to be truly grateful. My light shines brightest when I focus on all I already have. Today I choose gratitude over comparison or doubt. I trust in the timing of the universe and its quiet gifts. My grateful heart is the gateway to infinite opportunity. I shine with inner peace, confidence, and self-love. Thankfulness gives me a deep feeling of calm and wholeness. Right now, I'm attracting everything the universe has prepared for me. I am steady, secure, and deeply alive in this very moment. I applaud the transformation within and celebrate who I'm becoming. My mind remains centered on thankfulness and optimism. With each act of gratitude, I build a life that brings me joy. I shed the weight of old doubts and invite in vibrant joy. I am worthy of all the love, success, and nourishment I seek. What I value multiplies, drawn in by the energy I radiate. Today, I trust in my strength and my unique path. I glow even more each time I choose to be thankful. I am prepared to radiate light and honor my true self today. This morning begins with warmth, openness, and gratitude. Through gratitude, I learn to witness the beauty around me. My grateful heart pulls in blessings effortlessly. Now is the moment I rise into the fullest version of myself. With open hands, I welcome abundance and all it brings. Every breath I take reminds me of how blessed I am. I feel proud of all the strides I've made so far. Goodness flows easily into my life because I welcome it. Life's wonders and gifts are met with an open, willing heart. Fear has no place here. I embrace the happiness that comes with gratitude. I am in perfect sync with the energy of gratefulness. Each sunrise brings with it new reasons to feel thankful. Focusing on my blessings makes my inner light grow brighter. Today, and always, I choose to be thankful rather than compare. I believe in the timing of life and its silent rewards. A heart filled with gratitude unlocks endless doors. Confidence, tranquility, and self-worth radiate from within me. Gratitude grounds me in peace and reminds me I am whole. I am in perfect harmony with the vibration of thankfulness. Every new day offers fresh moments to be truly appreciative. My light grows stronger when I focus on all I already have. Gratitude is my choice today, not comparison. I trust the unfolding of life and the blessings it holds in silence. With a heart full of thanks, I unlock limitless potential. I exude calm, assurance, and a strong sense of self-worth. Gratitude brings me balance and helps me feel complete. I welcome into my life all that is destined for me right now. I feel steady, cared for, and energized by the present moment. I honor the journey I'm on and the person I'm becoming. My thoughts are anchored in joy, hope, and appreciation. I build a life I adore by staying sincerely thankful. I let go of lingering doubts and open the door to joy. I am worthy of love, prosperity, and everything that brings me joy. The more I appreciate, the more abundance flows to me. I have faith in my inner strength and the mission I carry. Gratitude amplifies my glow every time I embrace it. I am stepping into my light, ready to live in truth today. This morning begins with an open heart and deep gratitude. Thankfulness reveals beauty in all corners of my life. Blessings flow to me naturally through a thankful mindset. Now is my moment to rise and embody my full potential. I receive prosperity with humility and gratitude. With each breath, I am filled with grateful energy. I take pride in the path I've walked and how far I've come. I am open to receiving all the goodness life is sending my way. My heart welcomes the magic and wonder life has to offer. I release fear and choose the joy that gratitude brings. I remain tuned to the frequency of appreciation. Every day brings more to be thankful for. Focusing on my blessings helps my inner light shine. Today I let go of comparisons and embrace thankfulness. I believe in life's timing and the gifts it quietly holds. A grateful heart opens up endless paths and potential. I radiate peace, strength, and inner confidence. Gratitude helps me feel calm, centered, and whole. All that's meant for me is being drawn into my life today. I feel rooted, supported, and vibrantly alive. I acknowledge and honor my personal growth and evolution. My mindset is clear, optimistic, and rooted in appreciation. By expressing thanks, I create the life of my dreams. I release limiting beliefs and invite joyful experiences. I am deserving of love, achievement, and soulful satisfaction. My grateful energy brings even more blessings my way. Today, I stand firm in my power and divine purpose. Each grateful thought adds light to my spirit. I am prepared to step forward and be authentically me. My day starts with openness and genuine gratitude. Gratitude shifts my focus to the beauty around me. I attract miracles because I choose to be thankful. This chapter is mine to rise, expand, and become whole. I greet abundance with thankfulness and grace. With every breath, I feel more connected to gratitude. I'm deeply proud of my growth and resilience. Goodness is flowing into my life, and I am ready for it. My heart is receptive to life's wonders and surprises. I release fear and replace it with the joy of gratitude. Appreciation guides me and aligns my energy. New moments to feel grateful arrive with each sunrise. I glow brighter the more I focus on what I've been given. Today and always, I pick gratitude instead of comparison. Today isn't just any ordinary day. This is your defining moment. The world may have once missed your glow, but now it's your time to illuminate, to rise above, to step into your strength completely. You are not here by mistake. Gratitude lays the groundwork for a mindset that welcomes peace, happiness, love, and everything you are truly deserving of. Let this serve as your reminder. You don't need permission to begin. You don't need to become more, achieve more, or prove anything to anyone. You are already everything you need to be. And once you embrace that truth, everything around you shifts. So now, let's start. I am prepared to radiate and live authentically today. This morning begins with a grateful and open spirit. Gratitude allows me to recognize beauty in all things. My thankful mindset draws blessings toward me. Now is my moment to rise and fully express who I am. I receive abundance with openness and appreciation. Each inhale fills me with deep gratitude. I acknowledge and celebrate the journey I've taken so far. I am worthy of all the goodness flowing into my life now. My heart is receptive to life's miracles and beauty. I release all fear and invite happiness through gratitude. I am fully in tune with the vibration of thankfulness. Every day offers fresh blessings to appreciate. My light glows brighter when I cherish what I already have. Today, I choose appreciation instead of comparison. I trust life's pace and the blessings hidden in its timing. A grateful heart opens doors to infinite opportunities. I radiate strength, calm, and self-assurance. Gratitude gives me peace and a deep sense of wholeness. Everything meant for me is flowing into my life today. I feel steady, cared for, and fully awake in this moment. I honor how much I've grown and the person I'm becoming. My thoughts are centered on thankfulness and hope. I design a life I adore by choosing true gratitude. I let go of past worries and welcome new joy into my life. I am worthy of love, success, and everything that nourishes my soul. The energy I carry invites more of what I value. Today, I stand firm in my purpose and inner strength. Each act of gratitude increases my inner light. I am ready to glow and live in alignment with my truth. This morning, I open my heart with sincere appreciation. Gratitude helps me discover beauty in every detail. A grateful attitude pulls blessings toward me. This is my time to rise and thrive as my true self. I accept abundance with humility and joy. Each breath I take fills my spirit with gratitude. I feel proud of the progress I've made. I am worthy of all the positive things entering my life. My heart is wide open to receive life's gifts and wonders. I let go of fear and lean into the joy that gratitude brings.